Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to post live photos on TikTok. TikTok doesn't directly support uploading live photos, so we must convert them to videos first. And here's how to do this. Go to your Photos app and select the live photo you want to use. Tap the second icon at the top right. Choose Save as Video. The live photo will now be saved as a short video in your gallery and is ready for TikTok. Once your live photo is converted to a video, go to the TikTok app. Add a new post by tapping the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the video version of your live photo from your gallery. You can then add music, filter, text, or any other effects to enhance your post. You can also post a description if you want to. Hit post and you're done. You've successfully posted your live photo on TikTok. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tips. I'll catch you in the next video.